Hey, what's up, guys? I just finished installing these Xsense interconnected combination smoke and CO detectors, and I just wanted to tell you my thoughts on them so far. So I have like a 3,000 square foot house, and I have this pack of six, and I installed them based on the instructions at various points throughout the house. So I have some on every floor now, including the basement, main floor, and upstairs. And they were just super easy to install, really just out of the box. You follow the instructions and you just do a quick test to make sure they all sync up together. Initially mine didn't all connect, so I followed the instructions to make sure I got them all paired before I placed them throughout the house. One of the things that I like about them too is that these are interconnected, but it's done through like RF as opposed to Wi-Fi. I know there are Wi-Fi options, but if you ever have a problem with your Wi-Fi or you don't have Wi-Fi at the house, you don't have to worry about that. So I really wanted that to not have that Wi-Fi dependence, and it worked really good. So I've tested it on each one throughout the house, and it worked on all floors across all six units now. And it was just so much easier. I've done remodels at other houses and stuff, and done the hardwire ones, and had other brands that were the interconnected, not wired, and these just really installed super easy and connected really easy. So I'm really happy with that process so far. I think they're really good, and they seem to be working out really good so far. I also really like that these are good for 10 years. They have the little installation date tag on them here. So just make sure that you go through and add that to all of yours so you know when they need to be changed. But I love the fact that I can put them up and not really have to worry about it. I feel a lot more secure. Of course, periodically test to make sure everything's still working good, but it's just a really good peace of mind, and I'm really happy to have these.